Hi, everybody. Here's a little quick tutorial on how to create this Give Thanks poster for our Give Thanks assignment in Google Classroom. So what you're going to do after you access the template is you're going to notice that I have set up some frames here for you. So what frames are in Canva? So let me just show you. If I go to Elements, I'm going to look up frame letters. And not in photos. There we go, under frames. Okay, so there we go. There's some frame letters. I set you up with some basic ones, but of course, if you're not happy with the font, if you search frame letters, you can look and see that there are many different styles and choices to choose from. So if you want to change the style of letter, you're more than welcome to. Now, how the frames work are very simple. You're first going to click on Elements, and you're going to think about what you're thankful for. So that could be very simple. That could be, I'm thankful for art, like my first strip. I'm thankful for cats. I'm thankful for my husband. I'm thankful for waking up every morning. I'm thankful for some just basic, simple things. Maybe I'm thankful for a food that I like to eat, or I'm thankful for my friends. So you're going to search that up on Elements. So I'm going to look for cats because, yay, Mrs. Swistak likes cats. And I'm going to check the photos. All right. It has to be photos or this next cool step is not going to work. So I'm going to scroll and look for the cats that I might want to put on either my letter or my background. And yes, you have to do both the letter and the background. So this cat looks really cute. So I'm going to go ahead and drag this cat over to my next frame or maybe even my letter. There he is. You can see him peeking out of my letter H. You can see how when I dragged that cat over onto the letter H, it completely filled in that letter. For the background, I might choose some fur. Oh, look at some nice tiger stripe fur. So I'm going to drag that tiger stripe fur over. Remember, it has to be a photo, and I'm going to drop it over there on my little rectangle, and you see how it filled in the rectangle. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some text, and I'm going to put, I'm thankful for cats, because I am most certainly thankful for my cats, and I'm going to change that font into something very cool, of course, by highlighting and changing that font. I like blueberry because it's kind of fun. And then I'm going to make sure that fits in my rectangle. Now we notice that it doesn't read very well, so I'm going to make sure I make my font a bit smaller so that I can read my words nice and easily. I think I'm going to put I'm thankful for cats up here. So you're welcome to put your thankful little message anywhere you'd like. Don't forget it should be readable. So I'm going to go ahead and change my color to a nice bright color so that we can see it over the top of that fur. Maybe something a little lighter. Ooh, here's a nice yellow. There we go. So I'm thankful for art. I'm thankful for cats. And of course, as you go along, you're going to put the different things that you are thankful for. Give thanks. You can change the letter of the word give to a different font. And please don't forget to type your name on your poster. And yes, when these are all done, I am going to be printing them out and hanging them out in the hallway. So that's how you use the frames in Canva. Don't forget to take your screenshots and put them on Google Classroom when you're all finished. All right, get to making your poster.